Street diesel truck class getting ready to go. Scott Willoughby, Winchester, Kentucky. He calls it Daddy's Money Reloaded. Expect a strong run out of this one. Come on, Dodge fans. Whoa! Willoughby having problems, but
he gets a mulligan.
Expect a good run. Here comes the Ramrod. Let's see what the boy from Indiana can do. He calls it Aftershock. This is Trent Freed. He might have done it. He was going to be close there. This is your guy. He's got to be 307.97. Bob, listen to the sound of this motor. Everybody else, inline 6 cylinders. The Chevy had the V8 Duramax. Now just listen to the way this thing growls as it goes down the leg. Growls? Yeah, it's going to start to growl. Watch out. Trent Freed can do Corwin, Indiana. The spare parts, another tough Indiana truck.
Looks like these guys wash it and put shine on their tires too.
Oh man, Trent having some problems there. Could not get the boost up and didn't pass the River City. Just one more attempt at it. Let's see what Trent Freed can do.
Now, how much, I don't want to say damage, how much did it hurt his chances because the first time it didn't work and it doesn't look like it's working this time?
You know, sometimes they come back on that second one, they've got internal problems, and that's what we're looking at here. So, folks, give Trent a round of applause. He's Bluegrass, but the top 2 trucks and points, they're from Indiana. So, rivalries across state lines. With Dodge fans, a strong one on the line. Expect a strong run out of this guy. He's got to be 307 and change. Here comes Scott Wastin, just racing down. It's going to be close.
I just saw a lot of smoke.
Now watch Clint Corwin, folks. Huge exhaust pipe. When that smoke changes, expect a strong run. How about it for Clint Corwin fans? One of the tough trucks in the country right here, right now. This is for the big check. How many folks want to see Willoughby do it? stands a strong